Hi there. My name is Julian Grunauer, and I'm a Technology Strategy Manager here at Appian. Today we'll be talking about the Microsoft Document Editor, a new Appian Advanced plugin. I'm going to start off with a brief overview, demo some of its core features, walk you through the setup process, then show you how to deploy it onto your very own Appian site. To learn more about the Microsoft Document Editor or check out other advanced plugins, head over to the Extending Appian documentation page linked in the description below. Let's jump into it. Microsoft Document Editor provides concurrent, multi-user viewing and editing of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents stored within your Appian Knowledge Centers. Now, that was a mouthful, so let me break each of those components down for you. First off, concurrent multi-user viewing and editing means that documents can be viewed within any Appian interface and with a single click be opened within a full-screen Microsoft 365 editor. Multiple users can then edit their documents simultaneously and see live updates of each other's changes, comments, and even cursor positions in real time. Here we see an example case management interface with a document that I want to edit. As you can see, this user has edit permissions, so I can go ahead and click this edit button in my document viewer. This will open up a full-screen Microsoft 365 document editor. As you can see, this is the full Microsoft editing experience, and I can go ahead and make changes to the document, make comments, and do everything I would expect to do with a normal Word document. Now, the great thing about this is I can actually log in as a separate user. On this interface, I'm logged in as John Smith. I can go ahead and open that same document, and the changes I was just making in the other tab automatically appear in real time. As you can see, I can see my other user over here, and this user can also make edits. If I flip back over, I see that these changes are tracked in real time. Microsoft Document Editor also works with PowerPoint presentations and Excel workbooks out of the box. Now, how is this all possible? Well, Microsoft and Appian are partnering together to bring our customers the best of both worlds. Appian manages document storage, workflow, and custom processes, while Microsoft provides their best-in-class document editor experience directly within your application. This works by allowing your Appian site to connect to Microsoft's commercial 365 cloud. As users are viewing or editing documents within the Appian Microsoft Document Editor, Appian is communicating these interactions to Microsoft. Microsoft temporarily caches the document, handles the changes made by one or more users in real time, then renders the up-to-date document to the end user. Microsoft then automatically syncs all of these changes to Appian every 30 seconds to 2 minutes so that the source document always remains up to date. And the best part is, this architecture happens all behind the scenes. The setup process for Appian designers is an absolute breeze. The Microsoft Document Editor component has one parameter, token info, that accepts the generate Microsoft Document Editor token function. Simply pass this function a document constant or a document ID, and whether the end user should be able to view or edit the document. The document security configuration is automatically inherited from either the folder the document is in or from record level security if the document is stored in a document record type. And that's it. That's the entire configuration process. So to wrap up, let's cover how to get access to the Microsoft Document Editor. First off, the Microsoft Document Editor is only available for Appian Commercial Cloud customers. If you're a standard tier cloud customer, reach out to your Appian representative to inquire about Appian's advanced tier. For our advanced and premium tier customers, head over to My Appian and submit a support case requesting access to the Microsoft Document Editor. After reviewing and agreeing to Microsoft's terms of use, our support team will be happy to apply the appropriate configurations necessary to get access. Next, head over to the plugin section of your admin console and deploy both the Microsoft Document Editor component and the Microsoft Document Editor Servlet and Functions plugin. Press Enable Encryption Service on the Microsoft Document Editor Servlets and Function plugin, and that's it. It's time to build your own custom document workflow. For more information on the Microsoft Document Editor and the Advanced Plugins program, check out the links in the description below. And remember to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to see more content like this. See you next time.